In this example, I will calculate the values of profit and percentage of profit. What are the values of profit and percentage of profit if the values of cost price is $314 and sale price is $360? In this cell, I have entered the amount of cost price. In this cell, I have entered the amount of sale price. To calculate the value of profit, use this formula. Active cell reference C11, enter equal sign. This is cost price. This is sale price. Subtract the value of cost price by the value of sale price. Select the value of sale price. Enter subtraction operator. Select the value of cost price. Press enter key. Excel returns $46 profit value. To calculate percentage of profit, use this formula. Active cell reference C12, enter equal sign. Divide the value of cost price by the value of profit and then multiply by 100. This is profit value. Click this cell reference. Enter division operator. This is cost price value. Click this cell reference. In Excel, you do not need to multiply by 100. You can convert the number in percentage format. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Convert this number in percentage format. In number group, click general arrow button. Click percentage. Decrease the decimal places of this value up to 0. Click decrease decimal button. So the value of percentage of profit is 15%. If the values of cost price is $314 and sale price is $360, you will have value of profit $46 and percentage of profit 15%.